Understanding YouTube. Pay-per-view. How much does YouTube pay for monetized channels? 1. Introduction. YouTube has become a popular platform for content creators to share their videos and potentially earn money through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. One common question among aspiring YouTubers is how much they can earn per view on their monetized channels. In this article, we will delve into the world of YouTube monetization and explore the factors that influence earnings per view. While it is important to note that YouTube's monetization model is complex and multifaceted, we will provide an overview to help you gain a better understanding of how much YouTube pays per view. 2. YouTube advertising revenue. One of the primary ways YouTubers earn money is through advertising revenue. When a video is monetized, YouTube displays ads before, during, or alongside the content. The amount of money earned per view can vary significantly based on factors such as the type of ad, the viewer's location, ad engagement, and the overall number of views. YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with creators, typically through a cost per mil CPM model, where earnings are based on the number of ad impressions per 1,000 views. 3. CPM rates and influencing factors. The CPM rates on YouTube can range from a few cents to several dollars, depending on various factors. Some key factors that can influence CPM rates include: A. Advertiser demand. Higher demand for ads in a particular niche or industry can result in higher CPM rates. B. Ad format. Different ad formats, such as skippable ads or non-skippable ads, may have varying CPM rates. C. Viewer demographics. Advertisers may be willing to pay more for ads targeted at specific demographics, such as age, location, or interests. D. Seasonality. CPM rates can fluctuate throughout the year, with certain periods having higher advertising demand and thus higher rates. It is important to note that the exact CPM rates are not publicly disclosed by YouTube. Additionally, YouTube takes a percentage of the ad revenue as its share, with creators typically receiving 55% of the total ad revenue generated. 4. Additional monetization methods. Beyond advertising revenue, creators have other avenues to monetize their channels. These include: A. Channel memberships. Creators can offer channel memberships to their subscribers, providing exclusive perks and content for a monthly fee. B. Sponsored content and brand deals. Collaborating with brands for sponsored videos or integrating sponsored content into their videos can generate additional income. C. Merchandise sales. Many creators sell merchandise such as branded apparel or accessories directly to their audience. D. Crowdfunding. Creators can also leverage crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to receive direct financial support from their fans. 4. Earnings potential and strategies. Earnings from YouTube vary greatly among creators and depend on factors such as the niche, audience size, engagement, and content quality. Building a successful and profitable YouTube channel requires consistent effort, high-quality content, audience engagement, and effective monetization strategies. Diversifying revenue streams and exploring collaborations with brands or other creators can also enhance earning potential. 5. Conclusion. While it is challenging to provide an exact figure for how much YouTube pays per view, understanding the factors that influence earnings is crucial. YouTube's monetization model is multifaceted, with advertising revenue playing a significant role. CPM rates, viewer demographics, advertiser demand, and other factors can impact earnings. Additionally, creators have the opportunity to monetize their channels through memberships, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. Building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and an understanding of how to maximize revenue streams. By focusing on quality content, engaging with their audience, and exploring various monetization options, creators can strive to increase their earnings on YouTube.